I'm vibing. I was just here yesterday.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this is like one of my favorite parks. I mean, I used to come here like long time ago, Jesse. Like when this park first opened, like 2008, 2009. Nobody was here before.
There was nobody. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
what I thought.
it was
I
really.
I really didn't think it was gonna get this, successful.
But now they redid it. It's been a couple years.
Yeah, because it looked like a desert.
Yeah, before it was like shit.
It's just
When
flat.
they first opened it. Yeah.
Flat.
Yeah.
So we're watching a race, huh?
I'm down. It's a 306 race. There's supposed to be a big race today.
They're gonna end
They're
here.
supposed to start right here.
Yeah.
Oh,
I think they're doing it around the park, no? Or I'm not sure if inside or.
Either. I'd rather we just watch it and let them do it.
Oh, look at it! It's right here. There's so many bikes. How could we miss them? We just passed right here, no? Chilling? You doing good, bro?
What's that doing, bro?
Yeah.
Is the race gonna start here?
Yeah.
They got it. They fixed it.
Yeah.
We got new help too.
You got new rims? They look different. Yeah.
The same spokes, but just different rims.
Sure looks sick. Sheesh.
So you have to get the rim then.
Let's go.
Roll it!
One more. Hold up, one more. 3, 2, 1.
I have a fucking lot of them. A lot of them, dude. Ah, no way. No way, the last dude. These guys are quick, bro. Who else is back here? Nobody? Oh shit. I knew there's somebody. Alright, take care.
How many miles did you run today?
Let's go. I don't know how far we're going. What? What's going on? Let's go take a piss right there. Shit. I'm gonna take a piss. Alright, nah, I don't need to take a piss, but there's a fucking porta potty this way, bro. We passed by one. Yes. So we right here real quick. It's right here. Just go like around the corner, bro. I think they're locked. No, they're not. All right.
Is somebody in this one?
I think, yeah. This one's open next to the homie, though. Not this one. Not the first one. The one back there, I think.
Second?
Yeah, the second one. Yeah, the second one. The homie's in the first one. It's better than waiting in that line.
Hey, that guy was crazy.
Ooh.
Fucking trigger.
What's he say? Which guy? The guy with like the cart? Or what? What the?
I'm first.
150. Yeah.
Is that what he said?
No, that's what I'm telling you. Yeah, he was talking about his baby carts. He's like, me and my baby cart.
Yeah. Oh, fuck. This is the worst of it right here. Fuck. Oh, dude, imagine you eat shit right here. Fuck.
Fucking nads, bro. You nads?
Hold up.
They're all brand new.
Yeah, they change it like every week.
Is that right?
Dude, it's so low. Check it out.
Oh, you got a bike.
Feel it.
Oh, fuck, dude.
It's good though, but I have an
Yeah,
extra
that's
tube.
good.
I have an extra tube just in case, but
You have one
I
right now.
tried my
Just-
pump, but it only works for the road bike tubes though, and I didn't know that. I don't know. It's just, yeah, you just fill it up.
Dude.
No, I'll be good though. I'll be good.
You think it'll last?
Yeah, it's gonna last. It's gonna last. That'll be good. Yeah. Just because I usually check it, but today I didn't check
You
it.
gotta patch it up a lot.
Yeah, but I have an extra tube just in case. But I don't know if I just fill it up, it'll be fine.
The
back one's fine.
How many PSI can you take?
It'll be chill.
There's a puncture. It's like a food can drive. There's a food for less down the street. You guys can get like something for $1.
Where at?
And then it's gonna be at Coyote Studios, which is on Olympic. So you guys wanna?
Oh yeah? We're gonna pull up? Yeah, it'll be good, boss. Yeah, this is gonna be fine.
Yeah.
Way better than before. Thank you. No, it's gonna last.
The most this one gives you is 50 pounds.
Yeah, it's gonna last, bro. Thank you. Yeah, that's perfect.
Wait, God.
Yeah. Thank you. Oh man. Ow. Oh, I didn't know there's a club right here. It's like a dance. Oh, it's already closed. Yeah, I might have to take off right here. Yeah, I'm gonna hit a right. Nah. Yeah. Alright, dude. Peace out. I'm gonna go this way. Alright, peace. Peace out. Bye. Peace out, y'all. Come on, dog.